Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 26, class 9th, the fundamental unit of life, plastids. Jigyasa Didi, why is the color of the leaves green and the color of fruits and flowers are different in plants? Gyan, we know that plastid is a double membrane bound cell organelle that is present only in plant cell. Plastids are of two types, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast, white or colorless. This plastid is colorless. It stores food material such as protein, starch, oils in plant cells. This plastid is found in non-green living plant cells. Chromoplast. There are different kind of color pigment like yellow, orange and red present in this plastid, which provide different color to the fruits and flowers. Chromoplast that has green pigment, chlorophyll in it is known as chloroplast, that gives green color to the leaves plant. The most important biochemical process of the living world is photosynthesis, takes place in chloroplast. The space inside the chloroplast is called stroma, which is filled with a liquid called matrix. There are numerous membrane layered structures embedded in stroma called thylakoids. Like the mitochondria, plastid also have their own DNA and ribosomes. दीदी व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस? तो ये हमारा एक क्वेश्चन इसमें से हो जाएगा. ज्ञान, फोटोसिंथेसिस occur in plant. It is very important process for the living world. This process is possible in plant due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment in chloroplast. In this process, plant convert the solar energy into chemical energy in the form of food. During this process, green plants take carbon dioxide from air and water from soil and synthesize their organic food, glucose, and release oxygen gas in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O, sunlight plus chlorophyll is equal to C6H12O6 plus यानी कि glucose plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Check yourself which cell organelle is necessary for photosynthesis. Then you can write chloroplast. Here you can write chloroplast. Okay. Second, name different type of plastids. Also write their function. So there are two types of plastid, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast is colorless. It stores food material such as protein, starch, oils in plant cell. Okay, and the chromoplast, this give color to the fruits and flowers. So we can write there are different kind of color pigments like yellow, orange present in this plastid, which provide different colors to the fruits and flowers. And chromoplast that has green pigment in it is known as chloroplast. एक्सप्लेन फोटोसिंथेसिस इन ब्रीफ. आप ऊपर देख के लिख सकते हैं ये कि ग्रीन प्लांट्स टेक्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम एयर एंड वाटर फ्रॉम सॉइल एंड सिंथेसाइज देयर ऑर्गेनिक फूड एंड रिलीज ऑक्सीजन गैस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल. और ये इक्वेशन आप लिख सकते हैं 6 CO2 प्लस 12 H2O, सनलाइट प्लस क्लोरोफिल, C6H12O6 प्लस 6O2 प्लस 6H2O. ऊपर जो इक्वेशन लिखी हुई है. विच प्लास्टिड हैज़ क्लोरोफिल इन इट? नेम टू सेल ऑर्गेनेल दैट हैव देयर ओन DNA. तो देन यू कैन राइट विच प्लास्टिड हैज़ क्लोरोफिल. क्लोरोप्लास्ट हैज़ क्लोरोफिल इन इट. Name two cell organelle that have their own DNA. You can write chloroplast or plastid and mitochondria. Means plastids and mitochondria. Which gas is released out and taken up by the plant from atmosphere in photosynthesis? Oxygen is released out and carbon dioxide is taken up by the plant from atmosphere in photosynthesis. You can see in the equation also.